I'm Akash and I'm part of the GenGen's team. Our other team members' names are Wong, Hardik, Manas, and Walid. So we have built this Arkix AI application, which is similar to, or you can think of it as a replica to ChatGPT, with an additional Google Drive management, folder management integration. So we are using LangChain agents and Gemini API and other Google Gen AI embedding models along with ChromaDB for the vector store. So this is the application. This is the login page. So there is one admin user which has access to the all functionalities of the application. So I'll log in with through this. So he can view the tasks, the versions, and has like the sync drive capability to sync with the existing drive. So okay, this is the account page where you can update whatever name and other things. Then you have the admin panel. So this is just visible to the admin user. Here you can invite other users with whom you want to uh, collaborate and want to give them access to manage or manage the drive or reorganize it or summarize and other things. So you also can specify the permissions. So this will just send them a link to the via their email, and there they can accept the invitation. And you can also suspend or manage or pause their access or uh, provide them with more or update their access later on or even remove them. Then the sign out. Okay, then there is the sync drive which basically syncs the current drive structure or the drive files with the ChromaDB and the Supabase, so that you have the latest knowledge in the knowledge base, in the ChromaDB knowledge base, which the LLM can use to better print out the results. Uh, then we have versions. So this currently there are no versions because we haven't organized anything. So basically this will so drives has been synced properly. Let me see if so see, as you can see, a version has been created and you can see all the files that have been changed or have been added. So this is the current drive with these particular files. So for testing, we have just these 7 files with basic text in them. The application supports various other file formats as well, like PDF, docx, spreadsheets, etc. And so you will also in future have like a rollback option. So when you have multiple versions, you can kind of roll back to a prior version to revert the changes that have been made by the LLM or that you didn't want the LLM to make. So yeah, the undo version stuff. Then also you can okay, so versions. Then you also have tasks. So currently this is um, placeholder for where we can add background tasks. So when like like if the file drive is very huge, then it can run the organizing part in the backend so that the front end doesn't get stuck or keep or like it just keeps on waiting for the AI response. So what I'm going to let's create a new chat, and here before going to the chats, you also have the option to like various like okay, this is you can change the chat configuration, changes to different style, how you want the chat to behave. You can also specify some custom instructions, and if you want your drive to be organized, you can share it with this particular account key, and you can also add custom commands here. So I'll show you what the custom commands does. It's a functionality where you can just type in like slash, and it will give you provide you with various files and folders present, and also some additional like shortcuts for longer prompts. So let's say if you want to always type on intelligently organized structure and like something long, so you can just type in slash organize, and when you click on this, it will automatically populate the description that was mentioned in the that's mentioned for the command. Then you can run this. So let's ask it to summarize a file. So I'll type in summarize. Then you can also get the files which are currently present. So you can type in this and let's enter it. So we'll wait for the LLM to respond. So the LLM has responded with what the file contents are and has provided us with a short summary as well. You can also copy this or like or dislike, and this will fine tune the LLM further to understand your response better, to understand the user's preferences better. Then let's try to organize. So let's organize. Let's see. So we have this particular folder. Let's organize this folder. Okay. Okay, it kind of encountered an error. Just give me a second. Yeah, we are still working on the consistency of this application. Okay, yeah. So it has organized it and provided us with a summary. So I'll like, yeah, this is the whole folder. Now I'll show the Google Drive. So I feel most of the files might have not moved properly, but we'll have like a basic template, I guess. So if I, yep. So as you can see, science, history. So it has the file has moved here. Yep. And yeah, I guess there is also this functionality. Okay. And you can also add custom commands here. Yep. So I guess we'll sign up and thank you.